Hi, I'm Josh from Priory, and today I'd like to talk to you about some plastic-free alternatives to bubble wrap. We're working really hard on reducing the impact of e-commerce on the planet by encouraging our customers to choose sustainable materials, fully recyclable options, and to eliminate single-use plastic from things like polythene mailing bags with our paper mailing bag alternatives and plastic tapes with our paper tapes. So bubble wrap is just an area that we get questions about a lot because it's a really effective solution. It does protect things in transit, but the problem is, although you can recycle LDPE at your local supermarket, and our recycling locator widget would help you find that, the reality is a lot of it ends up in landfill, and so in that case it's much better to be using a fully biodegradable paper-based option. So I'd like to take you through a few different ways to replace bubble wrap in your operation, and these will be suitable to you depending on your product mix and on the size of your operation. Cool, so starting off, for people who are doing gift packaging and for a lot of smaller operations that really like to present their goods well, then actually wood wool and shredded papers are fantastic alternatives. They give good impact protection. Wood wool is actually a waste product and it's obviously fully recyclable, biodegradable, plastic free, and it has that nice hamper presentation. And it does provide good protection as well. So that's a lovely aesthetically pleasing option. Potentially not great for those large operations, but certainly for a lot of our Etsy sellers, small Amazon eBay operations selling gifts, it just looks fantastic and it's a great plastic-free alternative to bubble wrap. Then you just have your standard packing papers, and we do these in small rolls like this, all the way up to industrial size rolls for big operations that can be mounted at packing benches. And it's simple and it works great. You can use recycled material or our virgin craft papers, which are slightly more water resistant and more rigid. But yeah, we've got a great range of packing papers, and they can be used to stuff, void fill, wrap items up and keep things protected in transit. We also see a lot of people migrating to just corrugated roll. So again, this is made from fully recycled waste and it's fully recyclable. And our corrugated rolls are very low cost and they can be wrapped around items just like bubble wrap. And again, it eliminates that plastic. For a more specialist solution, we actually have Jammy wrap, and Jammy wrap's a wonderful product that behaves just like a bubble wrap once it's stretched out, and it creates this mesh that actually bonds to itself. You can wrap items in it, and if you head over to that category, there's a video of that product being in use as well. It also comes in its own self-dispensing box, which you can clip to your packing bench. So it's really good for operations that have a nice packing space, and you can put one of these on every packing bench and replace bubble wrap immediately. It's fully plastic free and it's really aesthetically pleasing, so it gives a nice story. For slightly bigger operations and anyone that's generating corrugated waste, we do this ourselves. Cardboard shred is a wicked material. It's really, really underrated. It creates this flexible lattice, and we've got two ranges of cardboard shredders in our warehouse supplies category. And if you have a look at those machines, they can actually convert all of your corrugated waste in your operation into a reusable material that provides great impact protection and conforms around your items. So that works brilliantly for a lot of our larger customers who generate quite a lot of corrugated waste. And we also have a desktop cardboard shredder as well for the smaller customers, but it's a really nice eco story. You can talk to your customers about how you're reusing a waste product. And so yeah, we really wouldn't discount cardboard shred. We think it's a great product. And for the really large operations, we also have a range of sealed air paper packing machines. And what they can produce is on-demand pads and on-demand void fill, sometimes you can use a foot pedal at the packing bench to keep your hands free and packing fast. So that's fantastic for the larger operations who are willing to adopt some machinery. And again, it will help you eliminate that single-use plastic. So those, I hope, will give you some great choices. We're actually on live chat Monday to Friday, 9 till 5:30 over on priorydirect.co.uk. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot for our customer service. So we'll be really happy to help you find the right product. It's not that difficult to replace bubble wrap. There's actually loads of options out there. And to choose the right option, you just need to understand exactly what it is you're trying to achieve in your operation. If it's to tell a fantastic story about recycling your material and give good impact protection, then cardboard shred's wonderful. If it's for gift presentation and small packing spaces, then Jammy wrap is wonderful. Wood wool's brilliant. Don't discount packing paper and corrugated roll for more impact protection. So you can find all of these items in the article below, and you can also navigate to them in our protective packaging section. That's us at priorydirect.co.uk for planet-friendly packaging. Hopefully that's helped you find what you're looking for, and we'll hear from you soon. Thank you, take care, bye.